Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the questions projection of planes. Okay, this is the first question. Read the problem statement. Rectangle 30 and 50 side is resting on HP. Okay, resting condition is on HP. Okay, and on the one small side which is 30-degree inclined to VP, while the surface of the plane makes 45-degree inclination with HP, and draw its projection. Okay, first you have to draw the reference line first. Give the notations, go to the multi-line text. Okay, single left click. Okay, go to the multi-line text, single left click, just drag the mouse, type X. Okay, select this X, change the font style. Okay, if you want to change the font style, you can change from the font style window. If you want to change the text height, you can change from the text window. Sorry, text height window. Okay, if you want to change the color code, you can change from the color window and press OK. So give the notations. This is my X. This is my Y. Okay, Control C and Control V. Just press Control C and Control V. Just double click on this X and this is my Y. Okay, so this is my reference line. Okay, above XY line is the front view and below the XY line is the top view. Now resting condition is HP, means Control C, Control V. This is my vertical plane. Okay, Control C, Control. This is my horizontal plane. Okay, now object is resting condition. Object resting condition is given on HP. Means you have to draw this rectangle. Okay, below the reference line. Okay, using draw tool. Okay, using this draw tool. Okay, draw a rectangle. Okay, 30 mm by 50 mm below the reference line. So just do the single click on this workspace area below the reference line, single left click, just drag the mouse. First it is taking horizontal dimension 50, press the tab key and 30, enter. Now give the notations to this object. Okay, again Control C, Control V. Okay, this is my A. I want to change the text type. I'm taking 5, enter. So this is my Control C, Control. This is my B point. Again Control C, Control V. This is my C point. Again Control C, Control V. Okay, just edit the notations. This is my B point. This is my C point, and this is my D point. Okay, now I want to draw vertical projection lines from the every points of this ABCD. Okay, to get the corresponding front view. Okay, from this top view of the object, you have to draw vertical projection lines. Okay, up to the reference line to get the front view of this object or true length of this object. So draw the vertical projection lines up to the reference line. Okay, again join the endpoints, change the color code, take a green, join the endpoints. Okay, and give the notations. Control C, Control V. Okay, this is my point A dash comma B dash. Again Control C, Control V. This is my point C dash comma D dash. Okay, suppose this is my master diagram. I am using this logic. My object is resting on HP, means I am going to use logic HP, HP or VP. Suppose this is my true shape, this is my true length. Next is what for third object. Okay, front view of plane is making angle of theta. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to copy this object, copy this true length. Okay, you have to paste it on again on the reference line and you have to rotate this object. Okay, then you will get third object. Okay, so next is what, copy this true length. Okay, give the notations. Control C, Control V. This is my true length of the object. Control C, Control V. This is my true shape of the object. Now, next is what? Okay, copy the second object. Means true length, right click, copy selection. Okay, in command line, he's asking for select base point. Okay, AB is my base point. Just drag the mouse, again do the left click and press the escape key. Again select the object, right click, rotate. Now again AB as my base point. So logic that we are using HPHP VP means you have to take second angle, you have to do the surface inclination, you have to take angle with HP means 45 degree. Angle with HP is given 45 degree means you have to enter, just enter 45, enter. Okay. Again go to the master diagram. For fourth object, draw vertical projection lines from third object and horizontal projection lines from first object. Okay, means you have to draw this horizontal projection lines and vertical projection lines from first and third object. Okay, okay. Again, go to the properties toolbar, select color code 251, take a line, draw vertical projection line from AB dash point and C dash point. Okay, again draw horizontal projection line A point and horizontal projection line B and C point. Means A dash A, okay, B dash B, C dash C, D dash D. Means you have to match these points. Again, take a color code green and join the points A, B, C, D. Okay. Again, give the notations to the object. Control C, Control V. Next is what? Again, for fifth object, again you have to copy paste rotate fourth object, but you have to take inclination angle of VP. Inclination angle of VP is given 30 degree. Okay, so copy this object, right click, copy selection from this base point to this base point. Okay, I am going to trim the unwanted lines, unwanted projection lines. Okay, now angle with VP is given 30 degree. Okay, I am assuming that vertical line means 90 degree and horizontal line means 0 degree. Now my resting condition is on AB, means AB is vertical line. I assume that it is a 90. Okay, means angle is given 30 degrees. Okay, inclination angle of VP is given 30 degree. 90 minus 30, it is 60. Suppose I am rotating this object in a clockwise direction. So I will select in this object, right click, rotate, select any point on this abyss line. Okay, 90 minus 30, it is 60, but I am going to rotate this object in a clockwise direction. So minus I will be taking minus 60. Okay, just check the dimensions, angular dimensions, use the color bilayer. Okay, first click, second click. Okay, okay, again go to the master diagram. For sixth object means final front view, what you have to do, you have to draw vertical projection lines from fifth object and horizontal projection lines from third object. Okay, so again take a color code 251, again select the line, draw the vertical projection. This is my A point, from A point vertical projection lines and from A dash point horizontal. I got this A point. Okay, now from the B point vertical projection lines and from B dash point horizontal projection lines. Now I want to locate C point, from C point vertical projection line, from C dash horizontal projection lines. I got this C dash point. Now from D point vertical projection lines and from this D point, D dash point horizontal projection line. Sorry, from this D point vertical projection lines and from this D dash point horizontal. Okay, now join the all the points, change the color code. This is my A point, A to B, okay, B to C, C to D, again D to A. Okay, this is my final front view of the object. Again give the notations, Control C, Control V. This is my point A dash. Okay, Control V. This is my point B dash. Control C, Control V. This is my point C dash. Okay. Control C, Control V. This is my point D dash. Okay. Okay. This is the complete solution of question number 1, projection of lines. Thanks